I. Ja. Can you run? Yes. I can run. Ja umijem da trčim. Can you read? Yes. I can read. Ja umijem da čitam. Can you jump? Yes. I can jump. Ja umijem da skačem. Can you write? Umiješ li da pišeš? Yes. I can write. Ja umijem da pišem. Can you fly? No. I can't fly. Ja ne umijem da letim. Can you swim? Umiješ li da plivaš? No. I can't swim. Ja ne umijem da plivam. Can you climb? No. I can't climb. Can you sing? No. I can't sing. She. Ona. Can she dance? Yes. She can dance. Ona umije da igra. Can she sing? Yes. She can sing. Ona umije da pjeva. Can she swim? Umije li da pliva? Yes. She can swim. Can she ride a bike? Yes. She can ride a bike. Can she ride a horse? No. She can't ride a horse. Can she write? No. She can't write. Ona ne umije da piše. Can she fly? No. She can't fly. Ona ne umije da leti. Can she climb? Umije li da se penje? No. She can't climb. Ona ne umije da se penje. He. On. Can he dance? Umije li da pleše? No. He can't dance. On ne umije da pleše. Can he cook? No. He can't cook. On ne umije da kuva. Can he swim? No, he can't swim. On ne umije da pliva. Can he fly? No, he can't fly. Can he ride a horse? Yes, he can ride a horse. On umije da jaše konja. Can he climb? Yes, he can climb. On umije da se penje. Can he jump? Yes, he can jump. Can he run? Yes, he can run.